I do not look like a fucking toad, a fucking hippo, Jabba the fucking Hutt, or any other fat ugly thing you can think of. I'm a good looking fella, me.
We've been playing hide and seek for 20 years now. I have not been found yet, so I must keep it down. They are still looking for me. They'll not find me. Shit, here they come. Steve? Steve, where are you? Steve? Steve, where are you? Steve? Don't tell them where I am. I will bite your face off.
Do you want to touch my plumage? I don't mind my plumage being touched.
Oh, you really outdone yourself this time. Oh, that's fucking lovely, that.
I'm fucking going over here, you greedy bastards.
Lovely marinade. Oh, you smelly fucker. Sorry, fellas.
Hello. I'm scared of stuff, you know. I like being scared. I'm scared of biscuits. I'm scared of chocolate, 'cause it melts when it's hot. I'm scared of heat. I'm scared of Roger next door. I'm scared of beards. I'm scared of things that have a musky odour. I used to be scared of small children, but I'm not now. I'm absolutely petrified of them. 'Cause they're small and scary and small. I'm scared of words that begin with S. I'm scared of you too. Have you lost your parents, little boy?
I'm Lionel Messi. I'm good at football, Mum said.
Will you score a goal if I give you some sweeties? Hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
Right, I'm taking my ball and going home.
What would you do if I sang out a tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Let me your ears and I'll sing your song. Shooby-doo, diddle-doo, boo-boo-boo.
Oh, hello, Camilla. Right, that's fucking it. Slag.